And now, weather on the threes with Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Chris Still.
Good morning to you. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you stayed cool out there. Looking pretty cool out there on our Myrtle Beach Skycam, but looks can be deceiving. It is anything but cool. Another warm and humid morning out there, but Titan radar is dry at this point. For the most part, it's going to stay dry throughout the 7-day forecast, too. We really need some rain. Not a whole lot of it in the forecast. Right now, a lot of humidity in Myrtle Beach. We're at 72. Same thing for Bennettsville and Hartsville down into Florence. One area right there in Whiteville, North Carolina. Have a feeling we may all flock there to get the cooler weather. Only 68 in Whiteville, North Carolina. But you'll be about 90 for the high temperature today. Hair day forecast today is going to be like it always is on a hot and humid summer day. We'll call it a 4.5 out of 5. Really not a bad day today. It's not going to be as hot, but before you get your hopes up too high, we're talking lower 90s today. Average high today is about 85. So still above normal, but it was 97 yesterday. So the hair day forecast, a little bit of an improvement. Here's your forecast today, about 85 degrees, beach and inland at noon. Now at the beach, it's going to be a lot cooler today than it was yesterday. We had an offshore wind yesterday, so it was 96 in Myrtle Beach yesterday. About 85 for the high today close to the coast, but the inland areas are still going to heat up pretty nicely. 91 your high today inland, but again, it was 97 yesterday in Florence, so that is a step in the right direction. These are your forecasted high temperatures, mainly 80s east of the Appalachian Mountains today, but there is more hot weather back to the west, and by the end of the week, or even middle part of the week, that will be headed to the east. We're not going to get into the triple digits, but we will be back in the mid-90s by about Wednesday or Thursday. Here's your forecast tracker for today. High pressure is located up to the north. Well, the wind around that goes in a clockwise direction. That's good news for us today because that means a wind coming in off the ocean. The front is now far enough to the south that our rain chances are going to be very, very slim, but there could be a stray thunderstorm in a couple of spots today. Only about a 20% chance, but the main thing you'll notice today is it just won't be quite as hot. 7:30 tonight, probably no rain for most of us, and then as we head into Tuesday, well, rain chances stay slim tomorrow. Temperatures stay very large. Highs up tomorrow around 90 degrees, and while that's not as bad as it was over the weekend, still very warm for this early in the season. High pressure builds in for the middle part of the week. Well, this time of the year, that means dry weather and very, very hot weather with those mid-90s coming back into the forecast by Wednesday and especially Thursday. Today, we'll call it a cooler day. I put it in quotation marks because 91's not cool, so I don't want to get your hopes up too high. But 87 in Murrells Inlet's not too bad. About 91 today in Hartsville, and a hot day in Conway, 91 your high. But again, it was 97 yesterday. Partly cloudy and warm tonight. We'll have lows in the upper 60s, so it will be a little cooler tomorrow morning than it was out there this morning. Low tonight in Murrells Inlet about 70, Marion 67, and about 67 tonight in Lumberton. The 7-day forecast for the Grand Strand is mainly dry, but there is a slight chance of a stray thunderstorm this afternoon at the beach. High near 85, mainly rain-free for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we'll start to bring in a few pop-up afternoon thunderstorms toward the weekend, but really no large-scale chance of rain is in the 7-day forecast.